We'll guide you through how to animate a carousel in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you are already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, begin with a project that already contains a carousel. Once the file is open, the edit page of your project will appear with the carousel displayed on the canvas. Duplicate the original carousel photos until the total number matches the number of slices in your design. For example, if your carousel contains 3 slices, duplicate the original photos 2 additional times, so each slice has its own image. Next, organize the layer order in the Layers panel by alternating between a slice layer and its corresponding photo layer. After arranging the layers, select one slice and its matching photo, then press Ctrl+Alt+G to create a frame selection. Resize the newly created frame so it matches the exact dimensions of the slice. Repeat the same process for the remaining slices until you have 3 separate frames. Once the frames are ready, move to the prototype panel on the right side of the interface. Open the interaction section and change the trigger setting to after delay. Next, add an action and set it to navigate to, then choose frame 2 as the destination. For the transition effect, select Push to create a smooth carousel movement. Repeat these settings for the remaining frames. The only option that needs to change is the destination frame. For example, frame 2 should navigate to frame 3. Finally, to create a continuous loop, set frame 3 to navigate back to frame 1. When all prototype interactions have been configured, click the Preview button. The carousel will automatically cycle through the frames using the push transition, creating a seamless looping animation.